Today we're going to make my easy 3-ingredient pineapple fluff salad. So into a large mixing bowl, I am going to add in 1 package of instant vanilla pudding. You could change out the vanilla flavored pudding for coconut flavor even. Then we're going to add in 20 ounces of crushed pineapple along with the juice. You could also use fresh pineapple. So we're going to mix these together until they're combined. The juice of the pineapple is going to help moisten that instant pudding up and make it easier to combine with the next ingredient. Into the pineapple mixture, we're going to add in 8 ounces of thawed Cool Whip. We're going to gently fold these ingredients together. We're going to cover this with saran wrap and place it in the refrigerator for 2 hours to allow those flavors to marry together and that Cool Whip to set up. The pineapple fluff salad has been sitting in the refrigerator for 2 hours, so let's take the plastic wrap off. Gently fold this one more time before serving it.